Welcome! Are you tired of learning English for months, or even years without real results? Do you want to finally speak English confidently, clearly, and fast? In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn English faster. Not by studying harder, but by learning smarter. Let's jump in. Part 1. Set a clear goal. If you want to learn English fast, you need to know why you're learning. Ask yourself, do I want to speak with confidence? Do I want to pass an exam? Am I learning English for travel, work, or daily conversation? Once your goal is clear, everything else becomes easier to focus on. Part 2. Learn the right words first. Did you know that just 1,000 words cover 85% of everyday English? Don't waste time memorizing rare vocabulary. Start with daily use verbs: go, get, make, take. Everyday nouns: people, food, places. Essential phrases: how are you? Can I help you? Etc. Tip: use apps like Anki or Quizlet to build a smart vocabulary list. Part 3. Practice speaking every day. Most learners get stuck because they only study, not speak. You don't need a teacher to start. Try this. Speak to yourself in English every morning. Record your voice and listen back. Join English speaking groups online, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Even 10 minutes a day can change your speaking level in a month. Part 4. Surround yourself with English. Think like a child learning their first language. They hear it all day, every day. Here's how to create an English environment. Change your phone and app settings to English. Watch English YouTube channels or Netflix shows with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while walking or commuting. Soon English will become normal, not foreign. Part 5. Write daily, even just a little. Writing helps you remember words better and improve grammar naturally. Try a daily journal in English. Today I went to the store. Commenting in English under videos or posts. Writing short texts, emails, or even Instagram captions in English. It's not about being perfect. It's about practicing regularly. Part 6. Focus on communication, not perfection. Many people never speak because they're afraid of mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes help you learn faster. English is a tool for connection, not for perfect grammar. Speak with confidence, even if it's not perfect. Most people will appreciate your effort and understand you anyway. Part 7. Be consistent, not crazy. You don't need 5 hours a day. Even 15 to 30 minutes daily is more powerful than 5 hours once a week. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of results come from 20% of effort. Focus on listening, speaking, and real-world words. Final thoughts. You can do this. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You just need to set a goal. Practice daily. Focus on communication. Be patient with yourself. Learning English fast is possible. And you? You're already on the right path because you're here. So keep going. One word, one sentence, one conversation at a time. If you found this video helpful, like the video. Share your biggest struggle in the comments. Subscribe for weekly tips on learning English faster, smarter, and more confidently. See you in the next episode, and remember, every word you learn is one step closer to fluency.